Today again, I'm going to speak yesterday. Which one?
Today's one is.
Today's one.
You call the star witness and.
Okay, just but don't ask us what the star witness said.
They are not going to interpret what he said.
Okay. Just we'll be very brief, just so that you have.
Call the star witness.
Yes.
And also, before the end of the session, told them that subpoenaed the INEC.
Yes. Yes. Well, you see, today we called our star witness, who gave very robust evidence. And you see, in the course of his evidence, he also tendered those video clips, very important video clips, showing the INEC chairman making the commitment to Nigerians for that real-time transmission of the results by the BVAS machine to the IReV. And you see, with that established, we are very, very happy with what has happened today. And he also tendered even screenshots from the IReV. You saw the documents tendered. So when we now mentioned that we had subpoenaed the INEC chairman, you can see that there are some documents we tendered and they objected to. But now we are also subpoenaing them to come by themselves and produce those documents. Those documents, let them produce them themselves so that we'll know whether they will object or not object to the ones they will produce by themselves. Thank you very much. Thank you.